Hi, good morning. Trip Beckert here, SouthFloridaAttorney.com. SouthFloridaAttorney.com update. Today we're talking about family law and family law issues. One of the issues that has recently come up in a case in which I'm litigating is whether or not your medical records are discoverable in matters involving child support and child time sharing situations. The case law seems to indicate that a concern over a parent's parenting ability, whether it be via drug use or attempted suicide, does not justify an automatic waiver of confidentiality of those medical and psychological records for purposes of determining time sharing and parenting plan matters. The courts have looked at this in most of the District Court of Appeals here in Florida, and have determined that the medical records, unless there is a event, when the term they use is a calamitous event during the pendency of the action, those records are typically not relevant to the issue of the parents' parenting abilities and whether or not those matters will be allowed to be put before the court for purposes of determining time sharing and a parenting plan. What the courts are typically doing in the alternative is ordering a psychological evaluation wherein the parent whose psychological or drug issues are at issue, they will order an independent psychological evaluation and require that individual to go to that evaluation, and that report will be used by the court in determining whether or not their psychological state of mind or their drug abuse is at issue with respect to their parenting abilities. Remember that the foremost concern in the court's mind is what is in the best interest of the minor children, and they make every effort to assure that the children's best interests are protected, even if it means sometimes trampling on the rights of the parent. Oftentimes, the parent will have no alternative to reveal those records if the event that is bringing concern to the court is very close to or during the dependency of the action. So if you have any questions regarding matters like this or any other family law matters, initial divorces, modifications, parenting plans, child custody issues, adoptions, please feel free to contact us at SouthFloridaAttorney.com. My name is Trip Beckert, and you can call me at 954-941-8363. 954-941-8363. I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much.